Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Lynch. I go by Kate. I'm from Allentown, Pennsylvania. I just finished my undergraduate studies at Westchester University and I have a degree in kinesiology. It was super fun, so I really enjoyed it and discovered that I want to be a physician's assistant, hence why I'm here, finishing up some prerequisites for PA school. So a little bit about me. When I was in college, while I was studying, I was also a student athlete. I was a pole vaulter for the track team, so that was a year-long commitment that I did while I was studying. I ended up jumping 12 feet 2 inches, and that was pretty cool, so that was super fun. I miss it a lot, but definitely couldn't do it anymore. My body started to hurt. So now I am in a gap year and I am working as a medical assistant for a podiatry private practice. We have 5 doctors and a bunch of other medical assistants, and we all pretty much work together in a team environment to provide really good quality care to patients. So it's really fun. I really love helping people. I usually bring the patient back, their chief complaints, and do a detailed note for the doctor so they know why the patient is there. I take x-rays, I do diabetic nail care, wound care, I put a hard cast on, take hard casts off. A lot of super cool stuff that I really enjoy doing. I got really lucky finding this job right out of college, so it's super fun. Um, what else about me? I'm also a part-time track and field coach at the local high school. I am coaching pole vaulting, so it's really cool to keep that part of my life in my life. So I'm helping the kids learn how to pole vault, and it's pretty fun. It's a really good time. My sister's actually also on the track team, so it's pretty cool to boss her around without her getting too mad. So yeah, that's super fun. I'm also really into ceramics and art. I haven't been able to do too much of it since I was studying and I was being an athlete and everything, but I actually have one of my vases over here on this desk. This is one of them. It's blue. I miss that a lot, but it's super fun. What else about me? I recently went on a mission trip to Haiti. I could talk about this for hours, so I'll try and keep it short. We went to an orphanage and kind of hung out with the kids and just kept them company. And also, the lead missionary, led us around in the mountains, and we took food and water to the sick and the poor that had no access to food or water or anything. We also provided some medical care and changed bandages to any of the patients, or not really patients, the wounded around the area. So that was super cool, something that I definitely want to do as a physician's assistant because I'll be able to help even more because I'll know a lot about a lot of different areas. Um, Here's one picture actually. It's my screensaver. This is Andre. He had cerebral palsy and he was one of the kids there and probably had the biggest smile I've ever seen. So that was super cool. So that's me. I look forward to doing the rest of this class with everybody. And it was nice to meet you all.